How's it going? My name's Chance Brown from Fix My Headstone. I'm going to show you how I go about cleaning and repairing this monument. Alright, now after getting these stones simply washed off, we got all the dirt removed. We wanted to make sure that the face, and the inside face that is nice and clean. We're going to let these stones dry and then we'll take them inside and continue on. Alright, I have the headstone here in my shop now that everything's dried off. Step 2 is going to be wire brushing the inside face on both broken pieces, and then that way we have a nice clean fit for when it goes back together. So let's get that cleaned up. Alright, now that we got that nice and clean, we are going to cut up a small piece of this mason crown. We're going to basically put 2 little drops, one piece right here, one piece on the other. We will get our top stone and simply put it in place and smash that down. Once we remove the stone, we'll have 2 markings on each side representing where our hole should be. We're going to use a hammer drill and some masonry drill bits to drill us 2 holes. We will then use some stainless steel pins. We will cut them to size and we will epoxy them in place with this Kimi 2010 epoxy. Stay tuned. Alright, we just set our stone for our markings. It's hard to tell, but we got one right about there. We have our other one there, that one's easier to be seen. Same thing, we have one right about there. One more right there. So that tells us where to drill, and we can go ahead and start drilling, and let's stay tuned. Okay, so we got the stone drilled and pinned. The pins are sitting nicely. So now we're going to go ahead and mix this up some epoxy and go ahead and pin this together and see how it goes. Yeah, so right now I just got the epoxy in the hole and placed our pins in our first stone. And I'm just making sure the epoxy is wiped all around the pin itself. Make sure we're actually locked in there.